Hey everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Curries to Cakes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy mint and coriander raita. You can have it with your pulao, your biryani, or you can even have it with plain rice too. Or you can just have it as a dip for your chips or something. It's easy to make and very delicious. So let's begin with the recipe. Curd 1 cup, mint 4 sprigs and coriander 4 sprigs. Now add these mint and coriander leaves onto the chopping board and chop them finely. So sprigs means these small stems. So you need to have those stems. They give a lot of flavor. So chop, chop, chop. Chop them nice and fine. Now add these chopped leaves into the curd. Add salt according to your taste. And give it a quick mix. Mix them well. Now the raita is ready. Keep this aside. Let's do the tempering. Onto a pan add 1.5 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Mix it well and allow it to sputter. Once they start to crackle, add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Add 1 pinch of Asafoetida, this is Hing. Now saute on medium-low heat until the curry leaves turn crispy. Now we need to add this tempering to raita. Once everything is in, mix it well. And that's it, here you go. This amazing mint and coriander raita is ready. Do make this at home and enjoy. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.